Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about how to do the rendering, how to place the wall decals and some other commands. So let me go to the Revit architecture. So this is my previous diagram as I have shown in my previous video. So this is my previous diagram. So let me delete all this. Okay, level 1 and level and 3D view. So in this view, first I will try to show you how to do the rendering, and for doing the rendering you simply see this is the building in the 3D view which I have shown you in my previous video, that I need to simply make the plan. After making the plan in the level 1 and level 2, go to the 3D view. After going to the 3D view, suppose I need to do the rendering, and for that you need to simply go to this view, and even you can place the camera. I will show you about how to place the camera. First go to the view. Okay, after going to the view, this is the 3D view, this same button is present here. Now simply go to the render, and this is the render in the cloud. So you can do even the rendering in the online. So let me first show you how to do the rendering. Simply you need to click in the render command. After clicking in the render command, you need to go to the settings. See, this is the draft, means low quality, medium quality, high quality, best quality. So it will produce the picture of the best quality, or even you can go to the custom and you can create your own image quality. Suppose I will simply go to the draft quality, because for rendering it takes a lot of time, so better to show you only in the draft quality. I will go to the setting and I will place the draft quality. Then it will show the resolution of the same resolution as that of the screen, width and height of the image, scheme exterior sun only. So it will show you either the interior view or exterior view, as well as you can even go to the sun settings here, and you can press the select the sunlight from top right or sunlight from top left. See, this is the altitude, this is the azimuth, and these are the solar, that is multi-day or lightning, single day, steel, and ground is placed at which level, level 1. It's everything is okay. So in this sun only, even you can adjust the exposure of the image, such as shadow, highlight, everything you can here control it. So let me go by default, okay, and click on the render view. After clicking on the render view, it will do the rendering, and after the rendering is over, it will show me the rendered image. Just wait for a few seconds or few minutes to check for the rendered image. See, this is how the rendered image look like. See, in the rendered image it will show you everything in a full detail. See, this is the wall, wall shadow, sunlight is present here. So then this is the railings, how it looks like. In this manner it looks. Suppose I will do the rendering in a medium quality and render it again. See, this is the rendering in the medium quality. See, you can even check the details in a very proper manner after doing the rendering in the medium quality. The details will be more clear. See, you can check it here. And whereas this is the model, after that even you can show the rendering in the artificial only or interior, that is only sun, then do the rendering. See, as the sunlight is present here, so it's not showing you, only a little bit figure is visible here. because sun, only the sun is present, and interior, and this is the interior view of the diagram, whereas sun and artificial. Let me do it. Now it will show you the rendered image. See, as I have not selected any light in the figure, so it's not showing me the artificial view. So let me go to the sun and artificial only and render it. Again, as I have not selected any light, so it will only show me the sun view. Okay, just stop the operation. As I have showed you how to do the rendering. So this is how rendering can be done. Even the best option is, I will always tell you so for better doing the rendering in a proper manner, always try to download the two softwares. One is the Enscape and one is the V-Ray, and another one software is there, that is Twin Motion. I will tell you about all the softwares in a detailed manner. So first let me go to the V-Ray, and here enable the V-Ray. After enabling V-Ray, these two tabs will not appear, only these two tabs will appear after you install these two softwares. Suppose I am now enabling the V-Ray. After enabling the V-Ray, now I can do the rendering here. As you can see here, render production. So it will show me a very detailed rendering via V-Ray, because for rendering V-Ray is much better than the Revit architecture its own rendering. So let me do the render production here and click it here. So now let me check the rendered view of V-Ray. See, this is the rendered view of the building. Okay, actually rendered view means the realistic view of the building, not even the 3D. So in this view there will be even the shadow will be present. See, this wall has shadow because the sunlight is present here. The shadow will be also present here. So this is how the rendering can be done via V-Ray. Okay, so afterwards I will even tell you in details how to do the rendering part. So now let me do one thing. So this is how you can do the rendering. Now let me go to the Revit architecture and let me go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, in the let me go to the 3D view. Suppose this is the 3D view. Now suppose I need to place the decals, and for placing the decals, what you need to do is simply you have to go to the insert here. Decal is present, so let me go to the decal, place decal. After selecting the place decal, click here new decal. Okay, now select one file here. Suppose I will place one image file. Let me go to the pictures and select one image. Suppose this is the image or saved picture. Let me go to one image file. Suppose this is the rank I have selected. See, this is what the decal will look like. After selecting this, you can simply click OK, and now it will tell where to place the decal, and for that suppose I will select it here. See, as you can see here, now this is how we can place any image or decal in the wall. So this is how the decal or any poster is being inserted in the wall. Suppose I need to place the decal in the front view, then I will select this wall and I will place it here. Suppose let me place the decal here. See, this is how I have inserted the decal. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to place the decals or the posters or any stickers in the wall. Okay, and So these are the two things today I have told. One is the render view and another one is decal. Along with that, even I will show you another view. Let me go to the level 1. After going to the level 1, suppose let me place the some components in the wall. Suppose I will place 2 to 3 components in the wall. Suppose I will place one desk here in this room, then some items I will place here, such as scarlet oak. These are the various trees which are present here. Suppose go to the load family and let me place some furnitures, or let me go to the go to my folder where I have in my C drive miscellaneous. Yeah, I will place some items from here. Let me place some sofa here, or let me place this sofa, open it and place it here, or place it here. After placing it, suppose I want to look both the items, and for that what you need to do is but I want to view both the objects from inside the room and from inside. If you want to look both the items from inside of the room, I need to simply go it here, and I will click on the camera. After clicking on the camera, I will place the camera and I will select both. So after clicking, this is the view I will place it. So in this manner it will show me the room, that is from the back side of the sofa. So this is the sofa set, this is the desk. So this is the inside view of the room. These are the two doors. You can even go to the realistic view and you can check. So this is how it looks like. So hope it's clear to all of you how to view from inside. See, this is how it looks from inside. So I hope it's clear to all of you how to place the camera and how to view it. Suppose I will place the camera again from this view. So this is how it looks like. See, this is the sofa and this is the desk. You can even increase the extent. So now go to the realistic view. So this is the sofa, this is the table. Sorry, this is how it looks like. So even you can even view the interior portion of the building via the camera view. Hope it's clear to all of you. The three things is which I have taught today, that is, one is the camera view, one is the rendered view, and another one is the how to place the decals in the walls. And in my next lecture I will tell you about how to create some as I have already told you how to place the how to create the false ceiling. So now today in my next video I will be telling you some different items. Okay, so thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.